Hello everyone. Today we will show you how to enable touch mode in Microsoft Excel. This is useful if you are using a touchscreen device or tablet. If you have Excel open on a tablet or a touch-enabled laptop, this tutorial is for you. To enable touch mode, click the drop-down button in the upper left corner. Here, you will see the option to enable touch mode. If you cannot see this option, it may be because your device does not support touch mode. It will only appear on devices that support it. When you open the drop-down, you will see a touch and mouse option. Click on it to enable it, and a small icon will appear. Click that small icon and select Touch to activate touch mode in Microsoft Excel. This makes the interface easier to use on touch devices by giving you more spacing and easier navigation. We will walk you through the Quick Access toolbar to get this set up. Once enabled, everything becomes much easier to tap and navigate. And that is how you enable touch mode in Excel.